In the charming seaside town of Conception Bay, Newfoundland, 10-year-old Charlie loved to eat pancakes. But there was one problem: Charlie had no idea how to cook. Every Saturday, his mum made pancakes for breakfast, and Charlie happily gobbled them up. One Saturday morning, Charlie woke up to a big surprise. His mum left a note on the kitchen counter: "Dear Charlie, I have an early meeting today. If you want pancakes, it's your turn to cook. Love, Mum." Charlie scratched his head. "How am I supposed to make pancakes?" he muttered. Just as Charlie was about to give up, his best friend Ellie arrived. "Why don't we learn together? Cooking is fun, and it's an important skill," she said. "But I don't even know where to start." Charlie groaned. Ellie grinned. "That's why we follow a recipe. Let's find one." The two friends flipped through a cookbook and found a simple recipe. Charlie's perfect pancakes: 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter. Ellie guided Charlie through the steps. 1. Mixing the dry ingredients. Charlie measured out the flour, sugar, and baking powder. He learned to level off the measuring cups to get the right amount. "It's like a science experiment," he exclaimed. 2. Combining the wet ingredients. Ellie cracked the egg into a bowl, and Charlie whisked in the milk and melted butter. "I feel like a real chef," Charlie said, pretending to flip an invisible pan. 3. Mixing it all together. They poured the wet ingredients into the dry mixture and stirred until it was smooth. "Not too much stirring," Ellie reminded him. "We don't want rubbery pancakes." 4. Cooking the pancakes. With Ellie's supervision, Charlie poured small circles of batter onto a hot, greased pan. When bubbles appeared, he flipped them carefully. "1, I did it!" Charlie cheered. Soon, they had a plate of golden, fluffy pancakes. Charlie topped his with syrup and Newfoundland blueberries, while Ellie added a dollop of whipped cream. When his mom returned, she was surprised to find Charlie proudly serving pancakes. "You made these?" she asked, impressed. "I did. Cooking isn't just fun, it's a life skill," Charlie said. "Now I can make my own breakfast anytime." Please like, share and subscribe to the Life Reset channel. See you in my next video. Bye.